Hello, Cambly learners. My name is Simon and I'm a tutor on Cambly. We will be exploring 2 and 4. Yes, we are diving into the world of English prepositions. So let's start with 2. 2 is essentially transferring or exchanging. Let's have a look at how we can use it. When describing a destination, some kind of movement, something is being moved. I'm going to a restaurant. I'm going to a coffee shop. I'm going to Saudi Arabia. Or receiving something. I gave my chocolate to my colleague. I don't think so. Or expressing a reason. I came to London to see you. I learned French to get a new job. Time. The amount of time or the difference between 2 points. The drugstore is open from 8 to midnight. It is 3:45. Limit. During the winter, the snow came up to my waist. Next up, preference, liking things. I prefer traveling to sitting at home. I prefer chocolate ice cream to mint ice cream. Yes, I love chocolate. So tell me about your preferences. Do you prefer coffee to orange juice? Do you prefer winter to summer? Write in the comment box or let me know in our class about your preferences. Next up, we're going to go to 4. And 4 is essentially a benefit or a good thing. Let's have a look at how we can use it. A present for my friends. Actually, it is my birthday soon, so maybe a present for me? I'm going to the gym for my health. I've been living in Canada for 3 years. I've been learning on Cambly for years. How long have you been studying Arabic for? What about using it with scheduling? I've made an appointment for a checkup with my optician. Also, sometimes a sad thing. She was fired from her job for being late to work. I've been waiting for half an hour already. Where are you? Now back to the good news. He was promoted for his good work. Chocolate is great for Mondays. We can also use for helping someone, including yourself. Can you grab the mail for me? Can you grab a coffee for me? Can you please do my homework for me? And we can also use it for functions. What's it used for? It's used for writing on the whiteboard. So let's have a quick quiz. So I want you to think about it and see if you can spot the right answer. You can write it down. You can keep it in your head. I'm looking forward to hearing your responses. I made this lesson. You. I gave the bag. Him. I'm going to talk. You. I will buy some chocolate. You. I go work. Do we use 2 or 4? Well, I'm going to give you a couple of seconds. You can hit pause if you need to. And the answers are, maybe we have a drum roll. I made this lesson for you. I gave the bag to him. I'm going to talk to you. I will buy some chocolate for you. Will I? I go to work. Well done. I'm sure you did very well. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers like me. You can take English lessons anytime, anywhere, right from your phone or computer. Schedule your next lesson with me using the link below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye and see you soon. Bye.